all, Ross here, Thomas Classic and Modern. Welcome back to the channel. You might notice that I'm not in my workshop today, and some of you who are keen YouTubers might notice this workshop doesn't belong to me. It belongs to these guys at Barham Engines. So we are here today to drop off one of our units, which is going to be a Thomas Classic and Modern fast road build. Lee has very kindly offered to help us out with our machining work, which we struggle with somewhat in South Wales. So thanks very much for that, Lee.
That's all right. No
Hopefully we can bring you some more work in the future.
Yeah, look forward to it.
If any of you guys do need machining work, by all means check out these guys. They are very, very good at what they do. Hence the reason we have taken the best part of 3-hour journey to run one of our machining jobs down here. So look out for some updates on this soon. Whether or not Lee will sort of include this in his channel somewhere along the lines, may do. I'm not expecting it because there's more engines here than you can shake a shitty thing at. So yeah, I'm not expecting that at all. But yeah, check these guys out. Very, very good at what they do. And look out for a video on this build in particular very soon on the channel. Thanks very much.
Thank you.